This presentation focused on Nod2, a key intracellular pattern recognition receptor in innate immunity. I will explain what Nod2 is, the organ it recognizes, how it becomes activated, and its biological roles, particularly in the intestinal environment. Understanding these points helps clarify how Nod2 links microbial sensing to immune regulation. In this section, I will introduce Nod2. Nod2, or nucleotide-binding oligomerization domain containing protein 2, is a cytosolic pattern recognition receptor belonging to the Nod-like receptor family. Its primary function is to detect bacterial components that have entered the cytoplasm. Unlike membrane-bound receptors such as toll-like receptors, Nod2 senses microbial products from within the cell, enabling a second layer of pathogen surveillance. What is a ligand? The specific ligand recognized by Nod2 is muramyl dipeptide, or MDP. MDP is a minimal structural unit of bacterial peptidoglycan and it's present in virtually all types of bacteria, both gram-positive and gram-negative. Because MDP is so universally conserved, Nod2 is able to detect a broad spectrum of bacterial infections through this single molecular signature. Mechanism of activation. Upon binding to MDP in the cytoplasm, Nod2 undergoes a conformational change and oligomerizes. This oligomerization recruits the adaptor kinase, RIP2, initiating downstream signaling. Activation of RIP2 leads to the stimulation of NF-kappa B and MAPK pathways, promoting the production of inflammatory cytokines. Thus, Nod2 acts as a molecular switch that links intracellular bacterial detection to pro-inflammatory signaling. What is the biological role? Nod2 is highly expressed in intestinal epithelial cells and macrophages. In the gut, Nod2 helps maintain immune homeostasis by regulating responses to commensal bacteria and strengthening barrier integrity. Importantly, loss-of-function mutations in Nod2 are strongly associated with Crohn's disease. These mutations impair the ability to sense MDP, which can disrupt the host microbiota balance and lead to chronic inflammation in the intestine. Crohn's disease is a chronic inflammatory disorder of the gastrointestinal tract. Although its exact cause is not fully understood, it is thought to result from an inappropriate immune response to intestinal microbes. Importantly, Nod2 is one of the major genetic factors associated with Crohn's disease. Loss-of-function mutations in Nod2 reduce the ability to properly sense bacterial MDP, which can lead to dysregulated immune responses and contribute to chronic intestinal inflammation.